folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of the NASDAQ. So on the weekly chart we look like this. We're very strong. That we're showing some signs of selling pressure, which is a good thing. It's about time, but we're showing a lot of strength still. So if we focus on a couple of areas, we had this area here. If you go back to the video I did on the S&P just a moment ago, have a look in there, watch that. It's only a couple minutes long, and I talk about these areas of accumulation or distribution, also known as continuation patterns. I drew like a small graphic here in the middle of the chart, so go and check that out, because then this will make sense. But we have this here, a nice push higher. We had this test here. Okay, so this one here was tested once. We went to the other side, we tested the supply, we rallied, we accumulated, and then we popped north. And you can see the origin of that is here. Okay, this little candle here, we tested it, we went up, we ran above this high. So there's something in here that's telling us, again, we have the candle that moved in the opposite direction. So we had a rally, accumulation, rally. So accumulation just here at the 13,000 mark, and then price rallied north, moving above these highs. We started to have a bit of a pullback here. We had some accumulation. You can see the steam's running out in this one here, so it's time for a pullback. Time had like a nice retracement to the beginning of the buy zone, which is below this candle right here, more or less. And then from here we managed to move above and beyond this high here. Okay, and so now we are looking to move lower. You can see we had a really strong push lower. I like that. So let's have a look on the smaller time frame on the daily. Then you can see that we have some interesting things going on. We had this here, tested once, parent-child, mark them both off, tested once, twice, and now it's gone. This is not completely unimportant. What area did it? Again, referring to the S&P video, we have this continuation pattern. This removed the area of demand here. Okay, so this is gone. This is the one that did it. So that tells us we have price sensitive price window just here. Very interesting. So going down to the 4-hour chart for clarity. Yes, you can see it even leaps out a little bit clearer. Here we have the area. Okay, we have this one here, tested, accumulation, tested, removed by this. We also have another one here, tested, price went through it. So we do have something in here. We have a continuation pattern here, and we have something, I would say, here. Okay, so price will probably, if it doesn't stop here, it'll probably go up to the highs and probably move through this pretty easily. Okay, so some pretty interesting price points to watch. First for shorts here at the 16,000, maybe 200-ish area, and for longs, lower. Where lower? Let's go. Okay, so here you can see that we have here. We have it right here. This area was tested. What area removed it? Something in here did. So we'll just mark off this area here. Okay, this is the area that did it. The slingshot was pulled back. So this is around the, what is that? Maybe the 13,850 area. That would be a pretty interesting place to get in. We have a buy zone established down here as well. So this is a really good buying territory just here. Okay, but we do have the shorts above here. We do have a little price nodule here that we might see a reaction at, pretty close to where we are now. So keep your eyes on those, and thanks for watching.